how do I not have my license revoked for my second DUI within 2 years? That's rather hard because the law requires that your license will be revoked. I think the better answer is, how do you get your license back? And there are ways to do that, most notably through something called sobriety court. Again, on my website and in my various articles, I examine how sobriety courts work, and that's more than we'd want to get into here, but the short answer is that if a second or third offender is enrolled in a sobriety court program, the judge has the power to override the revocation of the person's license and give them a restricted license so that they can drive in the meantime.